Welcome to ValueBound's webinar on 3 steps to expand your customer base with digital experience, presented by Indra Patil. Indra is the senior software development engineer at ValueBound, and we specialize in Drupal and creating digital user experiences. ValueBound helps in empowering businesses to gain a competitive edge through modernization, creativity, user involvement, and swift deployment. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us in the comment section below. This is a recorded webinar and we encourage each participant or the viewers to comment their questions, and we'll be glad to answer each and every question that you post for us. Thank you for joining us today, Indra. And the floor is open to you now. I give you the portal to start telling us what should be the 3 steps to grow your customer base with digital experience. Indra.
Thank you, Akanksha. As a Valibond expert in creating a unique digital experience, I will share insight on how to engage the customer effective. Our goal is to epic with strategies to prepare for the economic downturn, and we will discuss the importance of the content, data utilization, and prioritization and maximize ROI with the technologies. We will also address the impact of global change, such as changes in the third party cookies, and provide the potential solution to optimize the digital experience. Let's dive in.
Okay, Indra. So, in this webinar, I suppose that we'll learn about, since you have already mentioned that we are talking about growing our customer base with three main things in focus, which is content, data, and technology. With the focus on content, prioritization of data, and leveraging technology, Indra, I would like you to expand on each particular topic for our audience to learn about these things.
Sure, Akanksha. Focus on the content, develop the content based on the business priorities, customer feedback, and the data. We will go in detail about that. And priorities with the data. Examine your area of the focus and ensure it align with the business goal. And leverage technology. It says like maximum the returns on the investment on your content through the effective use of a technology. So next we will go content in detail, how to focus on the content to our business.
Okay. So, Indra, we have seen that each organization needs to create more content, but since their budget and team size remains the same, like budget is a very big constraint or the biggest challenge that the organizations face today. If we are specifically talking in respect to economic downturns, how do you think that the organizations can fill this gap?
Correct, Akanksha. Today challenges that already you told the organization faces the when it comes to content creation are in the relation to their team size and budget. According to Gartner, while the need of the content creation has increased, organization are struggling to keep as their budget and the team size remain the same. In fact, there has been a 11% decrease in overall market budget, going from 11% to 6.4%. Furthermore, it has been found 72% of market budgets go towards pure play digital channels, emphasizing the importance of having a strong digital experience. However, we can see that 76% of our digitalization teams are unable to deliver with the speed and flexibility because of so and so things. I will explain in detail, making it difficult to keep up with the constantly evolving the digital landscape, Akanksha.
Okay. So, like that's right. That how the organizations will be overcoming these challenges. We'll learn in the webinar. We'll be also exploring the strategies that can help the organizations optimize their teams' capabilities and maximizing their budget for more efficient content creation. Now, 83% of the marketers, as Indra you are showing, struggle with producing content that can be distributed across multiple channels quickly. So there are a few things that are focused on this particular thing. That's omni-channel approach, and second, quick like agility. And since you are catering to the clients in value bound, and you are facing these kinds of challenges, so what do you suggest, how today's buyers like to shop, and what do you want to say about all this?
Yes, Akanksha. According to the organization, means the clients will come to us regarding the so and so problem. It will depend on the clients to client requirement. Now I can show you one example like how we will approach. So now how business can create impactful content. The answer is simple: by focusing on business priorities, customer feedback, and the data analysis. In order to achieve this, there are few tools and strategies I recommended. Firstly, it is important to focus on your business priorities and ensure your data, your content align with the overall goals.
Hmm.
Additionally, taking the customer feedback in the consideration can help you tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences. And the data analysis is also crucial in understanding what the content is resonating with our audience and what the areas needs to improvement. By tracking metrics such as engagements and conversation, you can better optimize your content for the maximum impact. So by seeing this, data analysis is the more important thing, Akanksha, and we should get the feedback from the customer, like what the issue they are facing. If they are getting the proper feedback, so we can work around it and we can give the proper suggestions to how to improve the so and so problem. And some tools that I can help you to achieve these goals included internals meeting to align your teams and brainstorm the new ideas. We can give a chance to our team, internal team, to give a get the some good ideas and new ideas, whether we can implement in our system to get a good result. And we need to focus on the customer feedback, as I told already, and there is a sentiment for that, and the performance measurement tool to track your content success. By using these strategies and tools, you can create a content that is both impactful and aligned with the business priorities, I can say, Akanksha.
Okay, that's pretty interesting insight on the content part that we have discussed. So, Indra, so far you have discussed what should be the focus of the business, and you have also suggested what should be the tools that the businesses can use to measure the impact of content and how they can properly utilize it. Moving to the next point of our webinar, in creating digital experiences, unique digital experiences for our organizations. The second is prioritization with data. We have seen that data is a very, very important USP that can be exploited, or I would say explored by businesses today. And Indra, since you are working with the clients, you know how important data is. So let's move forward with this particular segment on how crucial the role of data is in exploring things further.
Sure, Akanksha. Yeah, I will go in deep in the data.
Hmm.
It is no secret that data play roles a crucial role in understanding your customer and tailoring your communication to their needs. However, it is important to note that 87% of consumer either they don't remember or they didn't obtain to receive a communication from the certain brands. This poses a challenges for businesses as they need to ensure their communication is not only personalized but also relevant and timely. So, for this, we will check the economic downturn also, transformation to survive, survey how to do
So,
the tell. Yeah,
yes,
Kaksha.
please continue. Please continue.
Yeah, transform to survive. A retailer who are able to effectively communicate with the correct customer at the appropriate moment are likely to weather the economic turmoil. Conversely, those that the fail to utilize the customer data platform may not survive.
Okay.
So
So
continuation of this, yeah,
so that is why you're suggesting that from continuing from this particular thing, customer data is extremely important, right?
correct.
So what is the ideal solution that you suggest? Through your slide, you have already shown that an agile CDP
Yes,
approach is suggesting. Would you like to explain
correct.
this in?
Sure, Akanksha. The solution I am referring here, like Agile CDP, provides a total 360 view of the customer, which is resolved from the profile, event, and transaction data across the channel. It's already recorded, so existing data, whatever we have, through that we can give our best with the class in identify resolution, and this helps the businesses to gain a better understanding for their customer and their needs, allowing them to do a tailoring with their communication strategy accordingly. And another important things is the data democratization, which means that the marketers and analysts and customer facing team have self service access to insight they need. This ensure that everyone has access to the data they need. They make a informed decision and provide a better customer experience, I can say. And yeah, other than the agile CDP, we can use the waterfall model also for that. And continuation of this, I can say I can say we have like unified analytics, personalization, organization, and engagement. Optimize CX through the content and the data management, all unified in the one platform. Machine learning for the marketers, use AL to easy segment the audience for the personalized across the channel campaigns. The solution can provide the ROA for the enterprises brands. Then the other solution, it provides the DXP, or you can say digital experience platform for analytics we can do. And as I told, like personalization we can do, and the market can easily segment the audience, we can tell that, and across the channel campaigns. By adopting this agile CDP, and businesses can optimize the customer experience through the content and the data management, all unified in the platform. This allows the businesses to stay competitive and adaptive quickly to change the customer needs and economic uncertainty, I can say.
Okay, so Indra, basically you are suggesting a unified platform approach to each
Correct.
organization. That means one common messaging across all their different platforms, and we can achieve this through either agile CDP model or through waterfall, depending upon the needs of the clients, right?
Correct.
Yes, Indra. So the third segment that we are talking about is technology. What is what
Technology.
focus on technology on your business? You are a very important person who can suggest certain things on technology. What is your approach for creating digital experiences through technology?
Yes. Coming to technology, this is my favorite part, I can say. Technology is the third important aspect of the certain creating the successful digital experience, which I doing and I did past. Currently, also I am doing. Unfortunately, many marketers are able to head back to their mark tool. In fact, the recent survey found that 67% of marketers feel their marketing tool are hindering their ability to innovative. And this is a major issue. Innovation is a critical for the staying ahead of a competition and adapting to changing the customer needs. Okay. Continuation of this, I have a solution for the organization is like we have a three prongs process. Firstly, they can adopt a low code traditional content management system to streamline the content creation, and the management will reduce the time and resource, I can say this one. And a second one, organization can replace with the ambiguous site builders with the hybrid assembly CMS. This type of CMS allows the content creator to easily assemble the page using the pre-built component, reducing the need of complexity code and the design work. So these are the two methods, and one more method we can see that lastly will address the challenge of a slow development time. Organization can switch to a high code headless CMS. I can say like headless CMS, it is like separate the content management from the front end display and allowing the developers to create and deploy the customized digital experience faster before what we are using compared to headless CMS. By adopting these three pronged approach, organization can improve their content creation and management process, streamline development and delivery exception digital experience to their customer while maximizing the return on the investment. Yeah, these are the three approaches we can do on this.
The technology
Yeah,
part.
we covered the content technology and data.
So, Indra, basically by following all these three strategies that you have suggested for the content, for data, and for technology, we can say that businesses can not only expand their customer base, but also weather the economic downturns and stay ahead of the competition. Indra,
Correct.
thank you so much for your valuable time that you have invested. And I also thank the audience for learning how to expand their customer base with digital experience. We have seen today that creating effective digital experience requires focus on business priorities, customer feedback, and data analysis, as Indra has suggested to us. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how we can help you expand your customer base, please visit our website www.valuebound.com or leave a comment below. Thank you again for joining us, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much, Indra, for giving us such insightful session. Would you like to add a concluding note on this?
Yeah, thank you, Akanksha. And by following these strategies, business can not only expand their customer base, but also weather the economic downturn and stay ahead of the competition. Remember, the key is that to always stay adaptive and flexible into the face of changing the consumer needs and behaviors. Yeah, this from this I can conclude this. Thank you, Akanksha, for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Indra. Thank you, audience.
Thank you.